everybody. Today, I'm going to make a paper claw, and I'm also going to tell you how to put it on. So let's get started. First, you get some paper. Okay. Since there's lines on my side, I'm going to fold it where there's lines. So then, I'm going to fold it like this, and we're not turning this into a square. And make sure the tip is all lined up. Okay? Now, you fold it to the edge. Crease it tight, but not too tight, it'll rip. Then turn it over and get this flap and fold it the same way but smaller. And do the same with the other side. Now, we're gonna take this flap and fold it to the corner. Make sure all of these are aligned. Doesn't have to be too aligned. So there we go. We're not gonna fold it here yet. First, we're gonna turn it like this and take this flap where we can see this, like when we folded it, we're gonna fold it down. So then we have a triangle. Now we're gonna get this middle part. Try to curve it from the front parts and then make this align to the very edge. This will make your claw sharper. Then turn it sideways and fold. And fold. Now, you see how there's a little part left? You can't fold that part, so you have to undo it because you made it too big. Then make it a bit smaller, about this big. Now let's fold. Now, see how there's a part hanging off? We're gonna fold that in later. But first, let's crease in the sides. It's nice and sharp. Okay, now we're gonna fold this down. Then, you see here, you're gonna make a pocket and fold it in. Now, you're gonna get this. You're gonna try to squish it together a little bit, okay? Then there's this thing, and you can make it with any shapes and sizes, but I'd like to open this up first, and you put your arm in there, like your hand. One finger inside, any finger, and then that's how to make it. But if this comes out, just try to hold it in place with your other hand. Thanks.